All right, everybody, we are here at the Solid Rock Community Church in Sanford. I'm telling you what, there is a ton. If you see that I'm out of breath, the reason that I'm out of breath is this is the Chevelle that just left the shop. And we get here and the keys is locked in the trunk. And so we took the seat out. And I'm gonna give out, because it was hot in the back, that thing trying to get it out. But let's get started here. Some nice vehicles here, y'all. Stuff that you don't see in my local area. Man, that thing's full in there, isn't it? Wow. Check out this 54 Mustang. So this 54, this is what we've got at the shop. It's not going to go to this level, but you know, it's going to be, we're planning on it being pretty nice. Or, you know, nice on the inside, no? I believe it is. Yeah, I think it is. Good looking truck.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, now
Great day. She's learning how to fire that old Chevelle up, ain't she? Let's go through this end and look at it. Sure, I'm too fat and too old to be in the back seat of a car. Whew.
get your dust on the
Telling you what, this is a major turnout. Satellite. Oh, Ron that he used to work with.
David Ashworth. Well, he is raised right there.
Hello, Chevelle. Tell you what, the old vehicles really bring people out, don't they? Even the new ones. Wow, I'd like to have that one. We seen one of these yesterday turn at the light in Troy and kick it, and it turned completely around in the road with him. Not this one, but another one kind of like it. He almost wrecked that thing. That one's nice right there. Four-wheel drive, GMC. I wonder if it's a real one. And a four-wheel drive, 58 or 9. What model is it? It's a 58, actually. Four-wheel drive. Uh-oh. There's the one like what we got at the shop. That's the type of grill that we're planning on putting on it. Film it. This one's a 5 one. Got a Monte Carlo front clip in it. Man, that Fairlane's nice. I hate I didn't get to film it. Showing that Fairlane off. Huh. Offered to let me delete it. But when I delete it, it does away with any talking. That's okay. Because I don't want to hear me talk. No way. Oh. Well, that one's got the metal flake in it. Now let's swap square body step side. Square bodies are popular. Look who that is. Okay.
Take his bike, spike.
Old Pontiac. Well, that's a good looking one there. 57. Got the chrome around the windshield on it. Ooh wee, 65. Check out this square body coming up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Another Firebird. Pretty, pretty cars. Chevy too. Another 54. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This one's got the grill like what mine had in it years ago. Had a blue 54, 5-window. Should have kept it. Oh wow, look at that one. Man, that's pretty. Oh, Ford. Now that's what I'm talking about. That is a beautiful truck. Oh, nicely done, clean. Like this one here. That's clean, clean, clean. All right, folks, as you can see, that wraps us up for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it.